I can't believe I got a Telfar bag.
Honey.
What's good, my peoples?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, introducing.
It's your girl Nicole. Welcome. If you are new, thank you so much for clicking on my video, and if you've been rocking with me, okay, thank you, boo. Okay, y'all, so it's the day after Christmas and I wanted to share, I'm super excited to share my Christmas gift. I'm sure you already know what the Christmas gift is because it's in the thumbnail and you clicked on this video because you saw the thumbnail. So I got the PUFFER Telfar bag as a Christmas gift. Okay, it's the medium size, so it's pretty large. It has like a long strap and like a carrying strap. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it was in the like Black Friday release, or maybe like a week before Black Friday they had a release, and my significant other ended up getting it, and I'm so proud of him. So let's talk about it. So the front of it, like this part or whatever, is like mad soft. Like it feels like a real puffer jacket. So the front and the back is like that. Really elegant, really just really cute. Really cute. I'm not sure if this is a bag though that I would wear in the summertime. Like I don't know if I would wear this when it's not cold, because it's giving like puffer jacket, and so in my, you know, puffer jacket is like fall winter type of thing. I don't know, but I love this bag so much already, so I might wear it whenever I want to wear it. Okay, even the sides, like the sides give puffer jacket. Like it's just so cute. Like it's just so freaking cute. So I have not like opened it or went through it or anything. Like I said, today's the day after Christmas and I'm filming this, so I just immediately got on here to film because I wanted to like start wearing it and transferring my stuff into the bag. So I was like, let me just film like my first impressions of the bag. So as you can see, like the front has like the Telfar logo. So let's go ahead and open it. So it has the straps all tied together, and then like I said, this is the long strap, and then you have the two smaller straps. It came with like a duster bag, I guess, like a bag to put it in when you're not wearing it, and so that it doesn't get like dusty and dirty and linty and all of that stuff. So that is cute. Oh, and it fits right in there, so perfect. Super nice. Ooh! Super nice, super cute. So looking inside the bag, so there's a pouch right here, which is good and it's open. And then you have your zipper pouch here. And the zipper has like a Telfar logo hanging from it. I don't know if y'all can see this. And then it has another Telfar logo on the inside. It's got some stuffing paper. And then it just has like the regular open part. Now, just so you can like kind of gauge the size, this is my iPad. And it's like drowning in the bag for the medium. I could put my iPad in there, I could put my camera in there, but I'm recording on it, so. But it's a lot of room and a lot of space. I love this bag so freaking much. Like it's extra cute. I'm probably gonna wear it with the lower or with the smaller handles, and then just tuck these inside the bag. Wear it like this. Super cute. It has like the little thing so that you can snap the bag closed. So that's what it looks like closed. Really cute. I love this bag so much. So I'm glad I got my hands on it. But if you are thinking about getting the bag or whatever the case is, just make sure that you're watching like their Instagram and their websites and stuff like that, because they post on there like when they're doing certain drops of certain bags and things of that nature. They had other colors as well. I think they had like red and a couple other colors. I'm not sure of all of them because I didn't even see this drop. Like I wasn't even really interested until maybe like the beginning of December when the bag was already bought. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Short and sweet, just giving y'all like the backstory and, you know, information about the bag. I just wanted to share with you guys. So thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.